Erin Hills is an 18-hole resort facility with some great amenities. We have a 62,000 square foot putting course along with a 20-acre driving range short game facility that has top tracer technology. So Erin Hills is a golf course that was basically designed by nature. We're sitting in the Kettle Moraine where a lot of the glacial till and the glaciers basically formed this golf course. We break up our mowing practices on an alternating schedule. So we'll mow most of the golf course on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then do some touch-up as needed. For greens, we use the Flex series. It allows us to follow our contours very well. Fairways, we're still using our three-wheeled 3550s, which have been great for us.
My main mission here is what I call no downtime. Between Alan and I, my goal and my focus is to ensure that every piece of equipment that Erin Hills has is ready to run.
The importance of having sharp reels, it all comes down to detail and playability. If you don't have a sharp reel, you're not going to get the quality of cut that our guests require. By providing a clean cut, it reduces the disease pressure. And again, it just comes down to playability, having that smooth putting surface as well.
Imagine a haircut. If you go to a barber. Now, some barbers will cut your hair with scissors, some will use electric leads. But if a guy goes in there with 2 butter knives and starts doing this number, you're definitely going to see a difference. Well, with our reels, that's what it boils down to. They're kind of like a rotary pair of scissors. With this machine now, all of those bulky arms and them micrometers and everything, they're all gone. It's all computerized. You set the machine in there, you take a reading here, you hit a button, you take a reading here, you hit a button. You take a reading here, you hit a button. Within 6 minutes. You're done. There is no more. You got to look at this number, you got to do some math, you got to refigure this, you got to refigure that. That does it all for you. When they designed this, they took the entire industry in mind, not just one manufacturer. And they simplified it to a fact where anybody with any different brand equipment can set up in just as much time as a guy with another manufacturer's equipment. Well, we used to have to measure and do math and all that other stuff for it. They put on there for you now. Simple decal, this is an adjustable table. They got Toro and John Deere or Jacobson on this side, and then they got a scale on this side for any oddball that might not fall into that 99% that I said that they could grind. You use 2 different stones, a wide stone for grinding, spin grinding, and then you got a thinner wheel for relief grinding, which most manufacturers have. It babysits for itself. The old machines, you had a breakdown, you had to start guessing where that breakdown was and how to fix it. This one actually has a basically, I call them go, no-go lights. You notice on it, it monitors, this is everything that it's monitoring. And depending on the color of the light, whether it's in or out.
With Jeff and Alan and their knowledge of the Foley machines, Foley has been great in the customer service aspect of it and has helped us out quite a bit.
I wouldn't trade for the world. We haven't had an issue with it, and it's like top of the line in my book.